Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am standing here for the position of Islamic Studies teacher representative. Nowadays we see we have the leaders who gives a talks well but don't implement in people's lives. But in Islam, taking leadership is a responsibility for serving the Ummah. Islamic leaders take the responsibility to spread the peace, to spread the moral values. So if I got this position, I will prepare if I got this position, inshallah I will prepare the students who focuses on their worldly life and also on the hereafter, and we will get the leaders like the Salahuddin Ayyubi. Once Salahuddin Ayyubi told that if a nation has to be destroyed without the weapons, without the war, then the adultery should be normalized in them. That's what happening in this era. So I would like to implement the Islam in the students' lives with their studies, school studies, inshallah. Thank you.